Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of an art supplies haul. I recently went to go pick some bits up from the shop and I'm really excited to show you guys what I bought. I've been creating quite a lot of work recently. I've got a lot of commissions on, and also I've been making prints of my current artwork. So like the one behind me, a lot of the Daisy series will be out in prints. So head to my Etsy shop to go and check those out. There's loads of different prints now available. I really want this to just be like a super chill video, so go and get a cup of tea and yeah, I'll just casually talk through what I bought and why I got it and what I think of it. Starting with canvases, I got quite a few different sized canvases because I don't know, I just like painting in different formats, and sometimes I go square. And I'm clearly having a square moment. I am a bit of a square, to be honest. They had quite a lot of different sized square canvases. Ooh, that doesn't sound very good. I really am imagining little florals on these pieces and I can't wait. Maybe daisies or maybe different florals, I don't know. I think I only bought 2 of these. Why did I only buy 2? Moving on, not too far from a canvas, I saw this, which was a wooden painting board. And I did recently get another board online, which I've not used yet because I was like so precious about it. I'm like, I'm saving it for the perfect painting, which, you know, never happens, and you end up just having all this stuff that you really like and never use. So I bought one of these wooden painting boards so that I wouldn't feel scared to use it. And I'm really intrigued because it's going to be a really smooth surface. Now, I quite like a smooth surface. A lot of the time, the reason why I add so many layers of paint onto my paintings is so that eventually I get that, like, not caked on, but that sort of vibe of you don't see the canvas anymore. I don't really love a painting where it just looks like a coloured in canvas. I like to see the paint and see the brush strokes. So I'm really intrigued as to how that will play out on a smooth surface to begin with. So I'm really excited to try that. I don't think that this is primed. It says suitable for any painting medium, but it doesn't look primed. So I think I'm going to have to prime that 2 or 3 times with an acrylic base. I might go on with water mixable oils with that. So I'm really excited to try that out. Anyway, so moving on to paint, I'm going to start with the acrylic paints I bought. So, by the way, this video is not sponsored by anybody, but it's definitely not sponsored by Winsor & Newton, sadly. I have reached out to them, but they kindly declined. So this is Winsor & Newton Galleria acrylic range, and the colours I bought was powder blue because I love this colour. In fact, I have had a couple of tubes of this before, small ones, and I go through it really, really fast. So this time I was like, you know what, I'm going to buy a bit of a bigger tube. So hopefully this will last me a little bit longer, but I love this colour, so pretty. I've gone for a green gold because it just looked gorgeous. I love this colour so much. I've always loved this colour. It's like a bogey green is what I'd call it. Then I got sap green, an old favourite of mine. I regularly use this for like foliage, leaves and that kind of thing in my florals. And a Prussian blue because I'm becoming slowly obsessed with Prussian blue. It's a very powerful colour and it can take away a little bit. I mean, you can see behind me the resemblance. I'm just really into like these dark blues at the moment. And so that is it for the acrylic paints I bought. Now, oil paints. You guys know that I'm obsessed with water mixable oils at the moment. So a couple of colours that I was running out of is Permanent Sap Green and a Cadmium Yellow Pale Hue. And yeah, they are just basically to top up things that I've ran out of. Moving on to brushes, I find that using oils, my brushes tend to die relatively quickly because I don't look after them great as well, I will admit. Well, I usually go for the Winton Hog Bristle, which is like this and quite a stiff brush. But as you can see, it dies very quickly. So I'm actually trying out a different type of brush this time. This is the Winsor & Newton Galleria one stroke range. One stroke? Short Flat Bright. Short Flat Bright is what they're called. But yeah, basically they're filberts. Filberts? No, they're not filberts, they're flat. That's why they're called flat. I don't know, I've gone crazy. So yeah, these are all flat brushes, which I really love to use for the daisy paintings, and I've gone through the ones that I already have. So these were kind of essential, and I got them in a range of different sizes, ranging from 19mm to size 4. So that's the range of those. And then I picked up 2 of these little brushes. I know that you guys are always asking about what I sign paintings with, and I have been using this brush to sign with, that I can't actually read what it is, but I'm pretty sure that it is like a model paintbrush, you know, like little aeroplane models or trains. Is used for that because of the detail on it. But this paintbrush is like starting to, it's almost had enough. So I picked up a couple of small paintbrushes which are very similar in size. I've not used them yet, but I'm hoping that they're going to be good for signing. This is a size 0, Scepter Gold 2, Winsor & Newton Sable Synthetic. I will try to link to every art material in the description box, so if there's anything that you like the look of, go and check that out. It does earn me a small commission if you guys then go on to buy the item from those links, if that makes sense, just to be, you know, transparent with you. Talking of transparency, oh, it's such a lame joke. We've got some artist gloss varnish for oils and some artist matte varnish for oils. Don't really know what to say about that. They're varnishes. And I bought another gloss varnish. This is for acrylic, and I really love these ones. I don't know if it's just like the bottle I like or if it's the actual product. It just feels so easy to use. Like, it's not that easy. Okay, there you go. You just open it and like you can just pour it on or mix it with a little bit of water. I can't actually remember how you use these. So yeah, there's another gloss varnish, and that is for acrylics. Last on the list that I bought was a structure gel. Now, I've not used this one before. A gel is like a clear paste, or like almost like glue, but it adds so much structure and makes like acrylic paint thicker, or like heavy body. I don't know if you guys have used a heavy body acrylic before. It's almost like not putty, but virgin on that, instead of the smooth. So again, if you like a lot of impasto type feelings on your painting, then structure gel is really good. I can't speak for this one because I've never used it, but I have used the golden acrylic gel, and that is fantastic. And to be fair, I would have bought that one if I could have done, but in the shop this was the only one they had. So yeah, I'll give it a go, and I'll let you know what I think of it. So I hope that you guys enjoyed that video today, just a chilled out video. There's tons of videos on my channel if you're looking for more content, so go and check those out. Hit the subscribe button if you want to join in this family and be ready for new videos. I've got loads of videos planned, so I'll see you soon, guys. Bye!